Here it is, the Bronco 2, Ford's new-sized, smaller 4x4 utility vehicle designed to compete with Chevrolet T10 Blazer and Jeep CJ and XJ models. This is a new entrant in the fun youth market. Bronco 2 is a utility vehicle derived from the 4x4 Ranger. Initially, at the Arizona Proving Grounds, test procedures were designed to test full-sized pickup trucks, 4x2 and 4x4. Ford intentionally made the test procedures tough and intended it as a test for rough-duty usage, such as coal mines, gravel pits, geological survey, logging, off-road construction, or other similar duty. Here we have the Bronco 2 entering the tough Ford testing world at Arizona Proving Grounds. The same test procedures used for Bronco 2 are used for all Ford 4x4 pickup trucks and utility vehicles. Market studies of Bronco, Blazer, Ram Chargers, and Jeep owners indicate that the durability and styling are the most important features to a buyer considering a Bronco 2. Earlier studies indicated that small trucks, from which the Bronco 2 is derived, would be used for rough to severe duty. So the Bronco 2 prototype vehicles were put through the same tough test procedures used on full-size 4x4s. Here we have a full-size F-Series Bronco alongside Bronco 2. The difference in size is apparent. Note Bronco 2's corrosion-free rear liftgate and the convenient access to the rear cargo area. Here on the Proving Grounds, the most severe part of light truck testing takes place on 4 special surfaces: Silver Creek 1, Silver Creek 2, Structural Durability Road, and Power Hop Hill. The events shown here make up the first portion of the Silver Creek Test Road, named after the off-road desert trail that was used as test surface through 1977. This event typifies the structurally damaging events of a severe off-road surface, and foot for foot is probably the roughest road in America. The road contains more than 40 steel-edged potholes, over 100 bumps, and is run at about 20 miles per hour. This is the maximum speed at which a driver can maintain vehicle control. Each 4x4 pickup or utility must complete over 350 passes on this event. Silver Creek 2 Test Road is an 800-foot section of broken concrete set in a concrete matrix. This segment simulates a poorly maintained gravel or asphalt secondary road and is run at 40 miles per hour. 4x4 pickups and utilities must complete over 350 passes on this event. The Structural Durability Road has been used for light truck durability for all recent light truck models. In 1975, the route was constructed in concrete. The prior surface was dirt, which required continual maintenance. The high-speed side is run at 27 miles per hour and contains cobblestones and washboard surfaces. This low-speed lane of the procedure contains approximately 40 potholes of various orientations and is run at 12 miles per hour. 4x4 pickups and utilities must complete over 2,400 passes of both the high-speed and low-speed lanes of this event. All Bronco 2s tested at the Arizona Proving Ground are ballasted to simulate maximum axle loading conditions during 50% of the testing cycles. With correct spring selection, good structural performance can be expected even on these severe surfaces. Testing has shown that spring overloading greatly reduces suspension and frame fatigue life, as well as resulting in undesirable vehicle attitudes. It is essential that correct springs are ordered when severe usage and heavy loading is anticipated. Increased axle rating means more jounce clearance, better vehicle attitude, and improved durability for all chassis components, even on the most severe surfaces. Power Hop Hill event simulates the diagonal washboard surface often found on steep gravel road grades. This washboard tends to induce an axle hop or tramp, which causes high suspension and powertrain forces. The event has 3 sections of washboard of different configuration, built on a 12% grade and run at 27 miles per hour. 4x4, pickup, and utilities must complete 175 passes over this event. Before climbing Translator Hill, shown here, approximately 1,500 miles of mountainous switchback roads are covered driving to and from Translator Hill. Bronco 2s climb Translator a total of 70 times. Round trip up and down is 4 miles. Vehicle speed must not exceed 10 miles per hour. However, usual speed is 4 or 5 miles per hour. Translator Hill is a rough, steep mountain trail that tests the Bronco 2 drive system. The trail is graded occasionally by a bulldozer, however, only when necessary. The Bronco 2 successfully completed approximately 2,000 miles in the sand wash, similar to that shown here. Along with the sand wash, there are about 6,500 miles of dirt durability roads that lead to and from the sand wash. Bronco 2s pass through the twist ditch approximately 3,500 times to prove structural durability. Bronco 2s must complete 175 passes through the salt bath. Bronco 2s must be run through the mud bath 175 times, the same as the salt bath, and Power Hop Hill. In addition to the events described, Bronco 2s must successfully complete 1,750 circuits of the high-speed track, or approximately 8,700 high-speed miles, at approximately 80 miles per hour. Besides the events shown here, Ford Light Truck subjects pickups and utilities to numerous special tests that are aimed at testing certain components, such as brakes locked at 30 miles per hour through a pothole. Ford accumulated approximately 1 million miles on the Ranger 4x4 and Bronco 2 prove-out. The Bronco 2 is part of the Ranger program, and for the entire program, we accumulated in excess of 2.5 million miles. We never really closed the gate on durability testing. However, this brief outline of the Bronco 2 program testing indicates the importance Light Truck assigns to structural durability.